Hello everyone and welcome back to this weekly technical outlook. And this week we are going to have a look at Euro dollar, New Zealand dollar and dollar CAD. And we're going to have a start from Trump's decision that delays 50% tariff on EU goods until July 9th. We have the PCE, the headline PCE index, which is expected to fall slightly to 2.2% from 2.3% before. We have also the Fed minutes, the RBNZ interest rate decision, which is expected to cut rates by 25 basis points, and also the Canadian GDP data, which is going to have to show modest growth. So starting from euro and dollar, we can see that the market has tested the 1.1420 level after the strong rebound of the 1.1275 area and the 30-day SMA. So as long as the market remains above this short-term descending trend line, the price it may hit towards the 3.5-year high at 1.1572 ahead of the 1.16 round number, which is taken from the November of 2020 peak. On the other hand, a fall beneath the 3-day SMA, it may find immediate support at the 50-day SMA around the 1.1150 ahead of the 1.1060 and even lower the 1.0875. But as long as the market remains well above the 200 and 100-day SMAs, as well as this ascending trend line here, the outlook will remain strongly positive. And having also a look at the MACD oscillator, which is pointing upwards above its trigger and zero lines, and the stochastic is crossing above the 80 level. Now moving to New Zealand dollar, we can see that the price has been developing within this trading range since April 11th, with lower boundary around the 0.5830 and upper boundary the 0.6028. And also the price had strong positive days since Friday, and the price is testing the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of the down leg from 0.6380 to 0.5484 at 0.6035. So if the market overcomes this area here, it will confirm that more positive movements may come, and the price it may move until the 0.61 and the 78.6% Fibo at 0.6180. In the negative scenario, a move to the downside, it may find support near the mid-level of this trading range, which is the 50% Fibo at 0.5930 and even lower the 200-day SMA at 0.5873. Now, having a look at the technical oscillators, the MACD is holding above its trigger and zero lines, and the RSI is pointing upwards after the bounce of the 50 level. So if the price overcomes the 61.8% Fibo, it will change the outlook back to a positive one. And also dollar CAD, we had strong selling interest today. The price it reached a new 8-month low at 1.3685. It remains well below this descending trend line here, and the next support it may come from 1.3645, which is also near this long-term ascending trend line, which has been developing since let me check here from back in 2022. So if the market declines below this line here, then it may have a touch of the 1.3420. On the other hand, a move above the 1.3745 and the 1.3780 barrier, the price it may hit the 20-day SMA at 1.3870, slightly higher the 1.3907, and even higher the 1.4020 resistance, which is overlapping with this bearish crossover between the 50 and the 200-day SMAs. So any movement above these lines here in this stronger zone, then the price it may have some more positive signs reaching the 1.4270. The technical oscillators are endorsing this negative momentum in the market. The RSI is approaching the 30 level and the stochastic is diving to the oversold area. So both of them are confirming that we may see some more losses in the market. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.